Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to make a small corduroy backpack. The link to the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this tutorial you will need thick corduroy, cotton canvas fabric. You can also choose to make the bag out of a single fabric, light cotton fabric for the lining, medium interlining, a 45 cm long zipper, a 3 meter long 25 mm wide strap, two 25 mm wide sliding buckles, two pieces of elastic 2 cm long and 1 cm wide, one snap button. The pattern printed and cut. Fold the outer fabric in half and cut the pieces. I cut all of the outer pieces in the corduroy fabric except for the perimeter pieces. Before removing the patterns, transfer the important markings to the fabric. Cut the perimeter pieces in the cotton canvas fabric. Cut the lining pieces. Cut the seam allowances of the perimeter patterns, then use the patterns to cut the interfacing. Interface the perimeter pieces. If you want to stabilize your corduroy, use a stabilizer that you can sew. Ironing the corduroy will destroy the texture of the fabric. Take the two pieces of the upper perimeter outer fabric and the zipper. Mark the middles of the zipper and those of the perimeter pieces. Place one side of the perimeter on one side of the zipper, right sides together, matching the middles. Place the second side of the perimeter on the second side of the zipper, right sides together, matching the middles. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge. Flip the pieces right side out and press. Top stitch 3 mm from the edge. Mark the middles of the top of the side pockets. Place the side pocket linings on the outer fabric of the side pockets, right sides together, and stitch the top 1 cm from the edge. Stitch the lower sides 1 cm from the edge. Press the seams and flip the pieces right side out. Top stitch 5 mm from the top edge and 1 cm from the top stitch. Using a lace threader, thread the elastic through the resulting runner. Pin the ends of the elastic on either side of the runner and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Place the side pockets on the bottom perimeter of the bag, wrong side on right side, with the base of the pocket on the perimeter marks. Stitch the 3 sides of each pocket 5 mm from the edge. Place the top perimeter on the bottom perimeter right sides together and stitch each side 1 cm from the edge. Trim the excess zipper and press the seams. Cut a piece of strap 52 cm long. Mark the middle of the strap and make marks 6 cm either side of the middle. Fold the strap in half lengthwise and stitch from mark to mark 5 mm from the edge. Do exactly the same with the second piece of strap of the same length. Using the pattern, mark the position of the strap on the face of the bag. Fold the ends of the strap to the back 4.5 cm. Place each end of the strap on the face of the bag on the marks previously made. Stitch a rectangle and then a cross on each end of the strap. Do the same with the second face of the bag. Cut a 20 cm piece of webbing and place it on one face of the bag, perpendicular to the first webbing. Stitch 2 parallel lines 5 mm from the edges of the strap. Cut 2 135 cm long pieces of webbing and place them on either side of the top center of the bag face. Stitch 5 mm from the edge. Cut 2 20 cm long pieces of webbing. Pass each strap through a sliding buckle, then fold the strap in half. Using the pattern, mark the position of the strap on the bag stubs. Place each folded strap between 2 tabs, right sides together, and stitch the 3 sides 1 cm from the edge. Trim the corners of the tabs and flip right side out. Place the tabs on their location on each side of the bag face, right sides together, and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Pass the free sides of the straps through the sliding buckles, fold the ends over 2 cm and stitch in the middle. Mark the centers of the lining and the outer fabric of the front pocket. Place the lining on the outer fabric right sides together and stitch the top 1 cm from the edge. Press the seam and flip the pocket right side out. Top stitch 5 mm from the edge. Place the pocket on the face of the bag and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Using the pattern, mark the snap button location on the pocket and the bag's face. Place the snap button. Place the perimeter on the face of the bag right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Open the zipper and place the second face on the second side of the perimeter. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Take the 2 lining pieces of the upper side of the bag's perimeter. Make marks 1 cm from one of the long edges of the pieces Iron to the bag. Place each side of the top perimeter on the bottom perimeter right sides together and stitch the short sides 1 cm from the edge. Press the seams down. Fold the lining pockets in half, wrong sides together, and top stitch the top 5 mm from the edge. Place the pockets on the face of the bag lining and stitch the 3 sides 5 mm from the edge. Mark the middles of the bag faces lining and those of the perimeter. Place one side of the perimeter on one face of the bag right sides together, matching the markings. Place the second side of the perimeter on the second face, right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Flip the lining right side out. Slide the bag into the lining wrong sides together, centering the faces and the sides. Attach the lining to the outer fabric using an invisible stitch. Flip the bag right side out. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to message me on my social media.